Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another Gele tutorial video, so let's get right straight into it. Today I will be using Sego to teach you guys how to tie this Zara cap. I took the Gele, I divided it into two, and I folded it up to achieve that Zara look in front. I did not add any paper or any board or nothing extra to the front to achieve that look, because this is Sego, so it's gonna give it that hard look anyways. So I folded that into two, placed it on my forehead, and then tied it at the back. As you can see, the division of this one was equally 50-50. Right, so once I tied it and knotted it and I put it in place, I grabbed this one, then I twisted it because I was trying to achieve the funky look in front. So I twisted it, and once I was happy with the twisting, I grabbed my pin and I placed it. I secured it in place, as you can see. Once that was done, I grabbed the other side and I twisted it, put it in place to meet the other side, to meet where the other one ends, and then I folded it up and kind of like played around with the remaining part of the Gele to achieve this flowery look, rosy look that I got at the end of the result. So guys, keep watching and just see how it's done. If you have any question, just leave it down in the comment down below. I will be looking out for your questions, and I do hope this is helpful. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. For now, keep watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in the comments. Once I was happy with the final look of the rose, of the pleats, of the extra bits of Gele, I went round to the back and I just tucked in the extra Gele to cover up the knot, just so it can give that flawless look, that seamless look at the back, because you don't want your knot sticking out. So I did that. I'll turn around for you guys to see how it's done. I kept playing around with it, but it wasn't staying, so I grabbed the pin and I secured it. Guys, look. So I opened it up and I tucked it, I folded it into top and the bottom, and then I grabbed the pin and put it in place because it wasn't staying, it was being stubborn. So I used it, you can see it just kept popping up. I was like, okay, definitely need a pin for this one. So I grabbed the pin and then I put it in place, and that was it, guys. That's the end of today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know